So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So after a few days I'm making this video, right? I was busy doing some work. So now we will try to continue upload this kind of videos, right? I hope you like it. And if you want video on any particular topic or any particular sum, then you can also comment me that, all right? So now what is the question? This is based on polynomial, right? X square minus xy equal to 14 and y square plus xy equal to 16, right? And obviously we have to find the value of x and y in this question. Now, this is very important question and very conceptual question. Right? So you have to pay attention throughout the video. And as I said always, if you have query or any kind of question, you can obviously comment me in the comment box. Right? So now, how do we proceed? How do we solve this kind of question? So first of all, see, I can easily take common x from here, right? It will become x minus y, which is equal to 14. And if I take common y from here, then it will become y plus x equal to 16. Right? But this will be very lengthy and difficult method, right? So I'm not using this method to solve this question, right? I'm using another method which is comparatively very easy compared to this method, right? So now what will be that method? First of all, if I assume, right, if I assume something equal to y, for example, if I assume y equal to ux, right? Now what will benefit I get by assuming this value? You will see later. First of all, if I put y equal to ux in this both equation, then equation will look like x square minus xy, which means minus ux square equal to 40. And if I put y equal to ux here, then it will become u square x square plus ux square equal to 16. Agree? Right? This will become equation if I put y equal to ux in this particular equation. So now it will become very easy here. How? First of all, from first equation, if I take x square common, then what will remain? 1 minus x square only, right? And into denominator, if I take x square from this equation, then what will remain? U square plus u, which will equal to 40 divided by 60, right? Sorry, it will be 60, right? I have written by mistake 16 here, it will be 60. So now what will be our answer? If I cancel out 7 2s and 32s, so it will become 7 by 30, right? And from this part I can easily cancel out x square and x square from numerator and denominator both the side, right? So now what will the question look like? If I cross multiply, right, 1 minus x square with 30 and 7 with u square plus u, then what will happen? 7u square plus 7u equal to 30 minus 30u. And here also, if I take x square common, then u will remain, right? Why? Because here x square, if I take x square common, then what will remain here? 1 minus only u. So by mistake I have written x square, sorry for that. So now I don't know why I'm making mistakes so much here, right? But try to understand what will be 1 minus u and u square plus u. So now if I bring both of this term left hand side, what will remain? 7u square plus 37u minus 30 equal to 0. Now there are two methods by which we can solve this quadratic equation, right? First of all, if you use formula of ABC, right, then also you can solve this equation. And if you use factor, what factor? So I hope all of you are aware of how to solve this equation. First of all, I multiply both of these terms, first and last. So minus 30 into 7, it will become minus 210, right? And middle term is plus 37. So now I have to find two number of which multiplication is minus 210 and addition or subtraction is plus 37. So can you remind me of those two terms, right? There are so many terms of which multiplication is minus 210, but their addition or subtraction must be 37. So if you find out, you will get terms like 42 into minus 5, right? And 42 minus 5 is 37, right? So both of these condition has to be satisfied. So now I will directly put these two value instead of 37u. So 7u square plus 42u minus 5u minus 30 equal to 0. Now if I take common 7u from here, then what will remain? U plus 6. Now if I take minus 5 common from this, then what will remain? U plus 6 equal to 0, right? So I will get two values, 7u minus 5, u plus 6 equal to 0. So u equal to 5 by 7 is our first value. Second will be u equal to minus 6, but this is not our final value obviously, right? Because we have to find the value of x and y, both of these, right? So I will take one by one value of u and try to find out the value of y and x, right? So First of all, if I take this value u equal to 5 by 7, so what is the value of u? U equal to, I have put y equal to ux, so u will be equal to y by x, agree, right, which is equal to 5 by 7 obviously, right? So I can easily write the y equal to 5 by 7 x. Now if I put y equal to 5 by 7 x in this first equation, then what will the equation look like? It will be look like x square minus 5 by 7 x square equal to 14, agree? So it will be, if you solve this, 7x square minus 5x, which means 2x square by 7 equal to 14. So it will be x square equal to 49, right? So I will get two value, x equal to plus 7 and x equal to minus 7, right? But for two value of x, I will get another two value of y, right? How? From here, if I put x equal to 7, I will get y equal to 5 for x equal to 7, right? And if I put x equal to minus 7, I will get y equal to minus 5 for x equal to minus 7, right? So this is the first order pair. Now we get one more value of u, right, which is equal to u equal to minus 6, right? So now if I put here u equal to y by x, which is equal to minus 6, so y equal to minus 6x, right? And I will put this value in first equation as always. So x square plus 6x square equal to 14, 7x square equal to 14. So I will get x square equal to 2. So x equal to plus root 2 and x equal to minus root 2. Now you have to be careful with here. Why? Because here I have y equal to minus 6x, right? So if I put x equal to root 2, I will get y equal to minus 6 root 2. And here I will get y equal to plus 6 root 2, right? This is another pair. So we will get total 4 value of x and y, right, in this question. So as I said, this is very conceptual, right? You have to understand the basic of algebra and polynomial also in order to solve this kind of question. So I hope you got it. In case if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.